Hello everyone and welcome to the guitar studio of Rustic Outlaw Guitars. This is where we put the guitars together up in our workshop. Here we have the neck of the latest build. Once again, I am Tim from Rustic Outlaw Guitars and Two in the Chest. Let me show you the studio here. If I can have this thing turn around. We'll turn it around. So you can see all the guitars. There's a couple in progress. Another one in progress. Some of these all built. And around here, some more of the guitars from Rustic Outlaw Guitars. So let's turn it back around here. So here's what we're going to be doing now. This is the neck. We're getting ready to get all the frets flattened to make sure that there's no high spots that will cause buzzes. We're going to file it using our filing tool. And we'll just do a little bit so you can see what's going on. You can see we've already blackened with a marker, so we knew where our high spots were. We already tested. So basically we know where our high spots are already. But see, when you run this file over our sanding block, the high spots get taken care of right away. You'll have to come back and reap down the neck with frets to make sure that they're crowned, and then we will polish all the frets down. This neck wasn't too bad. We had a couple high fret. We tapped them down. You're looking pretty good right now. You're getting low height, we're really set. We have a couple issues done here. You can see we've got most of it off. All right, let's get our tool. Sorry. So now we'll take our tool and see if we have any frets that rock. Seems pretty good. Pretty flat. Right there's one. Yeah, right there. Put that down. We'll do a little bit more flattening right in this area. It's pretty good. Here we got another one. All right, I'll come back when I'm going to crown them.